Hello, dear learners. Welcome to the Persian class with e-learning platform. I, Dr. Ramzan Ahmed, with Dr. Ijaz Ahmed, brief you about Persian e-contents and the syllabus which has been proposed for BA semester first of the University of Jammu and Cluster University Jammu. As per the direction of the Department of Higher Education, the objective of e-content is to introduce the online mode of learning to the learners in the easiest way. This e-content has been prepared according to the recommended syllabi of above mentioned universities. The curriculum is covering the area of Persian history, culture, language and literature. This curriculum is divided into 5 units which are mentioned over here. You may have a look. The very first unit is consists on 4 chapters. These 4 chapters are covering the basic sentence structures, small paragraphs and vocabularies for building up the basic concept of Persian language. For those who first time opted Persian as a subject, the chapters are Dars-e Awwal, Dars-e Dowwam, Dars-e Sewwam, Dars-e Chaharum. The unit number second is comprising on 3 subchapters including Persian grammar and the lesson number 5th, Dars-e Panjam, Fail Mazi, Waqsam, Fail Hal, Fail Mustaqbil, Fail Amr, Fail Nahi. And the unit number 3rd is consisting of classical Persian poetry of some renowned Persian poets of different period. The poetry of those poets is shared into 4 subchapters. The chapters are Tawana Bawad Har Ke Dana Bawad by Firdausi, Bohur Tatawani Babozuye Khish by Sheikh Sadi Shirazi, Mehnat Korb Fitna Ju Sarkash Taslim by Maulana Jami, Hawaye Ishq Shab Wasl Taraneha by Faizi Dakni. The unit number 4 is covering the poetry of medieval and modern Persian poet, including some ghazals of Fani Kashmiri, Ain-e-Ishq Sawal-e Bose by Kani Shirazi, Lutf-e-Haq by Parveen Sami, Gunehgar Yaran-e Nimera by Faridun Tawallali. The last unit and the unit number 5th is covering the life and work of above mentioned poets of different periods. I hope this e-content with audio classes will help the students for learning the Persian language and literature easily. Thank you. Have a good day.